Hey, today is the day 50 of 64 days of peace the Michael Chekhov Way, and our topic for today is choice. Choice is an amazing gift that we have. We have the ability to choose, and the most important thing that we choose are our thoughts. We have the ability to choose what we are focusing on, what we choose to think about, and we have the ability to go with things that are positive and peaceful, or things that are aggressive. I'm out here at the Texas Star Golf Course, just visiting, not getting to play today, but that's my choice. I actually have the ability to choose, and when in the Michael Chekhov technique we look at focal points, where we want to put our attention, because where attention goes, energy grows. And with that, we get to choose how we react to circumstances and situations. We get to choose what we are watching on television. We get to choose what we are paying attention to on our phone, or whether we pay attention to our telephone. Whether you get to choose whether you want to watch this or not. And thank you for choosing to watch so far. And but the choices that you make as an actor define your art, in the same way that the choices that you make as a human being define your life. And do you want to make habitual choices without any free will that lead you down a path of negativity, that lead you to the same kind of pain points? Every time you experience something that is problematic for you, you really have the opportunity to ask, is this happening again? Is there something I am focusing on that needs to be attended to? And could I make a new choice? If I shifted my choices, could I find a more peaceful life? Do you want to choose peace? Do you want to choose to be right and fight? What do you want to do in order to find peace in your world? You have choices to make. Making great choices. Every day you can reflect on your life before you go to bed. You can review your day. Fly back, as we say in the Chekhov technique, over your day and think about what went well. And think about what you might choose to do differently. How did your choices affect your day today? How do your daily choices affect the feeling of peace within you? We can choose peace. Choose peace. Peace, please. Choose peace.